Okay everybody, once again it's Big Al. I got a challenge locking device called Baby Steps, and it's by EAZYPICKING, which is cool because not sure I've tried one from EAZYPICKING yet. And matter of fact, I just got this package. I got some stuff from the Lockpicking Patrolman, and this was in there, so thank you so much for sending that stuff to me. The video should be uploaded by now, by the way, that the package opening. What happened here? Got out of whack. There we go. And by the way, y'all, let me go back for a second here. On the backdrop, back here, I don't know if it's focusing in automatically or not, but if you are, basically, if you're one of my supporters, you know, you're watching my videos, and you do have a Locksport channel, and you're not on here, if you notice you're not on here, please let me know so I can add you to the backdrop. I would be more than happy to. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Let me know. I would appreciate it. It's just my way of showing a little bit of love back to you by adding you to the backdrop. Okay, let me see. I am totally out of whack here. I apologize. Jesus. Alright, there we go. So yeah, this is called Baby Steps by EAZYPICKING. Bada boom, bada bing. There's the key, by the way. It's still taped up. That's how I got it. Looks like a quick set, by the way. And I'm going to go start off with this Southord short hook, being it is a quick set, and they have that ledge there you can pick off of, which is kind of handy dandy. Here we go. Just say I had a tension wrench out, and I do have the mic right there again, so hopefully that helps a little bit. Maybe I'm zoomed in a little too much. We can't even see the tension wrench. I know some people like to see that. Let's go with that. Better? Better. Alright, so yeah, like I said, there's a ledge right there. I'm going to try and use that to lever off of. I don't know if I'm hitting that or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm missing something. Let's try again. 2, 3, 4. There we go. 1, I think, set. 2, 3, 4. Got a little bit of a turn off of 4. Oh, I'm sorry, that was 5. 4, 3, counter rotation on 3, I think. Yeah. But I think I overset it. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I overset it. Okay. Let me try this. Let me try the gem instead. I can get behind that tension wrench a little better with the hook. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Got that turn back. Counter rotation on 4. I think. Okay, got the turn back on 1, 2, 3, 5 dropped. Oh, there we go. So when I got that number 4 set, I dropped number 5, so I had to go back and get 5. So nice tricky little setup there. Very fun, very cool. Okay, so let's zoom back out a little bit. Woo, wrong way. Back out. Let's get it out of the vise. You could probably tell by now too, this that double package day that should already be uploaded. That's some of that stuff we're going to use in October for the breast cancer awareness. Beautiful stuff Bobby Keys made, man. Just freaking fantastic. He does some really good work on those 3D printers, man. We'll be using this one for this though. So let's man, I am doing some really crappy camera work today. I apologize. Okay, so we're very much open. Bada boom, bada bing. You know what? Shoot, I don't know if we want to open this or not. I guess we could. Make sure it works. Oh geez. it's like just all highs. Alrighty then. I could have probably just stuck a rake in there, but I don't consider raking picking, so I won't use a rake ever. So let's see. Let's lock it back up. Yep, does work like butter. Yep. Nice. Alright, get this clip off the back. I think my new tool is going to work on that one because it's a quick set. Yep. Love that tool, man. Paid for itself the first time I had to use it, man. Tell you what, tell you what. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing. I don't know if I need one, but I do like using them anyways. I'm going to go ahead and try and shim it. And here we go. Nice. Tell you what, that fifth one looks really loose in the core. Like it's almost flopping around in there or something. But obviously they all needed picking. We knew that by the shape of the key. And we also know they're going to be very short because of the shape of the key. And the last one. Alright, get my specs on so I can see as good as y'all. And my pokey. On the core we've got nada, except for they do kind of look like they're 2 and 5, just for some reason. They're not threaded or undercut, but they do look wallowed out. I'll let you make your own decision on that, but look at 2 and 5. They look like they're a little kind of wallowed out. Not sure why, if there was a reason for that or if it's just from wear. But that's what it is. That's what we got. Alright. Going upstairs. Tweezers. There we go. Camera. Where we at? And one. Serrated. Looks, I don't know if that's commercial or not. Looks like it could be, but commercial ones are usually not that deep. Standard. And 2. Oh, put springs up there. 3 is a spool. Again, it looks factory spool. Pretty sure. And 4 is another kind of spool. Again, it looks factory, but I don't know. Maybe they're just cleaned up. And 5 is another serrated. If I can get it out of there. Yep, again it looks like a factory serrated, but I could be wrong. They look like all factory pins, but that's alright. Let me know, Easy Picking, if you watch this. Let us know. Upstairs I got nada. Nothing up top. There we go. So yeah, I'll let you all decide. They do look factory, but that's okay. It's still a homemade lock. Baby Steps by Easy Picking. I'm going to go ahead and, well, and we put the key up there. Baby Steps, Easy Picking. Now we'll bring it down. Okay. Where are we? Alright. Key pins. We've got this kind of, we'll call that a spool in number 1. Standard in 2, double serrated in 3, standard in 4. And then we got this kind of serrated and spooled in number 5. And then drivers, like I said, this looks like a factory serrated, but maybe not. It's pretty deep. And then 2 is a standard, 3 is a spool. That definitely looks factory. And so does this one, but maybe not. That's fine either way. Both these are spools, and then again another one of these serrated. And the springs do vary. It looks like steel. Well, yeah, maybe. That one's not sticking. I don't know. Silver, copper, silver. Yep, silver. That's what we got. Thank you so much, Easy Picking, for making this. Baby Steps Lock, and Lock Picking Patrolman for sending it to me. I highly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.